Sometimes we need a valid SSL certificate for WebSockets or web servers like Apache or Nginx, or even we need valid SSL certificate for a raw TCP socket. So we can do this free and without a real server on the internet. At first, go to Let's Encrypt website. Let's Encrypt gives you a free SSL certificate and it's valid for 90 days. And after 90 days, you can renew it again for free. So go for start. Alright, here says if you have a server with shell access, you can get SSL this way. But we don't have a real server, so we do this way. Although you can get SSL key and upload it to your real server. So here says if your hosting provider doesn't want to integrate Let's Encrypt but does support uploading custom certificate, you can install certbot on your own computer and use it in manual mode. Okay, go for manual mode. But at first we need to install certbot for run these commands. We go to certbot website. And here says my HTTP website is running. I select other. Actually, this is not really important. We just want get public and private key and select the operating system. Now I select Ubuntu. But if you use Windows, it's no problem. You can use Windows application. Just need download this and install on your computer. I select Ubuntu. Okay, it says first install Snap and then install certbot. Okay, I already installed it before on this computer. Okay, now go for get the certificate. Here must use DNS for preferred challenges because we don't have a real server on the internet. And -d and enter your domain name here. Here we need a valid domain because SSL certificates are only signed for domains. I have a free domain osite.ml. And also I want the certificate for all subdomains of this domain. So again -d, then *osite.ml. If you want a real free domain, you can get it here. free.ml. Just go to freenom.com and get your domain here. As you can see, my domain is here and I can manage it here. And you can see I connected this domain to Cloudflare for managing DNS. Okay, let's back to certbot. Okay, now hit the enter. Now must create a TXT record under this name with this value. For create TXT record, we need to go to DNS management. And my DNS manager is now Cloudflare. Okay, go to domain and go to DNS and add a TXT record. This name. With this value. Okay, save it. Now hit the enter again. And we must do that again. This must be of the additional. We must do it again. Just go to DNS management, add another TXT record under this name. and this value and save it and hit the enter again. Alright, now we have our keys here. etc, let's encrypt, and this is public and this is private key. We need these two files. We can use this address, but sometimes we need to change some permission to access these files. So we copy these files on another location. But these files are shortcuts and real files are in the archive folder. So back to archive folder and copy these two files to another location. Make a new directory here and paste these files here. Actually, you can create it anywhere you want. And now we create under this location var www.osite.ml. Now how to configure Apache SSL with these keys. At first we need to go to Apache config file. This is my Apache config file. Now let's go to my GitHub gist for get configuration for virtual host Apache with SSL. And the link of this gist is on the caption of this video. Go to virtual host and copy this. Then paste it here. But we need to change some values here. This is our public directory. And this is our public and private key. These files are on this location. This is public, this, and this is private. Just save this configuration and exit. Now create our public folder here. And now create an index file here. Now restart the Apache. Now we need to bind our domain and subdomain to local IP address of this computer. Okay. Save and close this. You have this file on Windows 2, but in this location. This location. Okay, let's check it. As you can see, this is SSL and connection is secure and certificate is valid. Let's encrypt. You can upload these keys on your real server on the internet and bind your domain to your server IP address and use this certificate for 3 months. Alright, now let's use our certificate for make a WebSocket with SSL. Let's go back to my gist and use this .js server, WebSocket server with SSL. Just copy this and create a .js application here. Paste it here. This is public key file here, and this is private key for SSL. And it will run a WebSocket server on port 8080. Save it. Then we need to install WebSocket package. Okay, now run our server. Let's connect to this WebSocket server. Go back to my gist and use this WebSocket client with JavaScript. Just copy this and paste it here. You see this WSS. This second S is for SSL. Now change the hostname to our domain name. Okay, just save it and close. And let's check it. Okay, refresh this page and you can see our WebSocket is connected with SSL and we can send message to server. We send this random number and server response, okay, I received. And we can see messages here. And the link of all these codes, configuration and documents is on the caption of this video.